Hello students, secondary 2 chemistry. Now to the end of this unit, oxidation numbers. When you have an atom and this atom loses electrons, we say that an oxidation happens to this atom. Oxidation process occurs to this atom. Oxidation means loss of electrons. On the other hand, when an atom gains electrons, we say that a reduction process occurs for this atom. Any ion or atom is called a particle. When any particle loses electrons, this process is called oxidation. When any particle gains electrons, this process is called reduction. So losing of electrons is a process called oxidation process. Gaining of electrons by any particle called reduction process. There is a number called oxidation number. The number that refers to the electric charge, positive or negative, of the particle or the atom. For example, the charge here is 0, so the oxidation number of the N is 0. Oxidation number here is plus 2. Oxidation number here is 0. Oxidation number here minus 1. Oxidation number here plus 2. Oxidation number here is plus 3. 0. Plus 7. Oxidation number plus 7. Oxidation number plus 3. Oxidation number plus 3, and so on. So we can differentiate between two processes called oxidation and reduction process. The process of losing electrons or increasing the positive charge or decreasing the negative charge. All this is called oxidation. Losing of electrons, increase of the positive charge, like here, plus 3 to plus 2 to plus 3, increase of the positive charge, or decrease of the negative charge. Negative charge, decrease of the negative charge. Decrease of the negative charge. Okay. The opposite is called the reduction process. The process of gaining electrons or decreasing the positive charge. This is, for example, Fe plus electron gives Fe plus from plus 3 plus 2, decrease of the positive charge, or increasing the negative charge, as it is here. Increase of the negative charge. Here is 0 to Cl minus, increase of the negative charge. So this process called oxidation, this process is called reduction. How to calculate or determine the oxidation number of many important elements? Oxidation number of any ion equal its charge. Oxidation number of this ion is plus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, plus 3, and so on. Oxidation number of any element reacted in group 1 is plus 1. Here sodium reacted with chlorine. The oxidation number of sodium here is plus 1, while Cl is minus 1. Plus 1, this is minus 1. Oxidation number of an element in group 2 is plus 2. Mg, not alone, but reacted with chlorine. Mg plus 2. Calcium plus 2. Oxidation number for hydrogen in most of its compounds is plus 1. Plus 1. Here, the oxidation number of hydrogen in most of its compounds is plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. Oxidation number for oxygen in most of its elements is minus 2. Minus 2. For example, the oxidation number here of oxygen is -2, while hydrogen +1 and +1. So this is -2. This for sodium is Na+1, and the other sodium is +1. So O is -2. So total is 0. And so on. Oxidation number of any free atom unreacted equals 0. For iron alone, 0. For oxygen alone, 0, and so on. Oxidation number of the total ion equal to its charge. Oxidation number of any element can be determined by calculation. Oxidation number here +2, +3, +1, -2, +2, -1, +2, -1, +3, -2, +1. Compounds whose oxidation number in which oxygen has oxidation number -2 are called oxides, normal oxides of oxygen. Compounds which has oxygen and oxidation number of oxygen in this compound is -1 are called peroxides. But in which oxygen has oxidation number -half is called superoxides. For hydrogen, most compounds of hydrogen has hydrogen in which oxidation number equal +1, but very rare compounds in which oxygen can have oxidation number -1 are called hydrides. Oxidation number of fluorine in oxygen. Oxidation number of fluoride is always -1. Oxidation number of arsine here is +5. Oxidation number of oxygen here, very rare, it's +2, because fluorine oxidation number is -1 and this other F is -1, so oxygen is very abnormal here, +2. Here oxidation number of oxygen is -half. Here oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Oxidation number of oxygen here is -2, -2, -2, -1, 0, 0. For chlorine here, -1, +7, +7, +5, +3, +1. For nitrogen, +5, +4, +3, +2, +1, 0, -3, -3, +5. For sulfur here, +2, -2, +4, +4, +6. Here -7. Here +7, sorry, +7. Here +2. Here +7. Here +4, +7. Hydrogen here -1. These are abnormal compounds called hydrides. Sodium hydride -1, -1, -1, +1, +1. Chromium here +7. Here chromium +6. Here +6. here for carbon, +4, here +4, here +4. Thank you for listening.